Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. My name is Hafizal Fitra, and this video we are going to talk about how to create a compelling value proposition, especially from the perspective of informatic and digital product. Why this topic? Because a strong value proposition is like the heart of any product or service. It communicates clearly why customers should choose you instead of your competitors. In other words, it's not just about what you build, but about the unique value that you bring. And in informatics, this is very important because digital products are everywhere and competition is very tough. Okay, let's start with the basic. A value proposition is the promise of value that your product or service delivers to customer. It's not just about describing features. For example, saying our app has a login system. It's not a value proposition, but saying our app saves you time by letting you log in with just one click is already closer to value. So the key question is, why should people care? In informatics, this value might come from faster system that save user time, a smoother user experience that reduce frustration, or innovate solution powered by AI or data analysis. The value proposition shifts the focus from what the product does to why it matters to the customer. Now, why is having a strong value proposition so important? Think about today's digital economy. Customers have so many choices. There are thousands of apps in the App Store and Play Store. Even if your app is great, if you cannot explain the value clearly, people might ignore it. Your value proposition is what makes you stand out. It's like your elevator pitch to the world. In just a few seconds, people should understand what makes you different. For example, if you build a new learning platform, your value proposition cannot just be we offer online classes. That's too general. Instead, you might say we offer personalized learning powered by AI that adapts to each student's pace. That's more specific, more compelling, and much more memorable. Okay, so what make a value proposition strong? There are four key elements to think about it. First, who is your product for? Be specific. Are you customer student, parent, small business, or large company? Okay, next, what problem are you solving? If there is not clear problem, there is no need for your product. Okay, next, how is your solution different or better than others? Maybe you are faster, cheaper, easier to use, or more reliable. Okay, what real benefit will customer experience? At the end of the day, customer want results, saving money, saving time, improving convenience, or even enjoying something new. If you can answer this four question clearly, you already have the foundation of a strong value proposition. Okay, let's look at some real-life example in informatics. Spotify. Their value proposition is music for everyone, personalized just for you. Behind the scene, Spotify uses algorithm to recommend songs based on your taste. That's informatic at work and is deliver clear value to user. Okay, next, Zoom. Zoom's value proposition is simple video meetings. While many other platforms excite, Zoom focus on making meeting easy, reliable, and smooth. Okay, the next app is Grab. Grab started as a ride-hailing service, but its value proposition is now much bigger. One app for your everyday needs by integrating transport for delivery and payment. Grab show customers that they don't need then different apps, they can just use one. All of these examples show how informatic, whether algorithm, cloud system, or a mobile platform, can be used to create strong, clear value proposition. Okay, one very useful tool to design a value proposition is called the value proposition canvas. It has two sides. One on side, you write down customer needs, pains, and goals. For example, students struggle to stay motivated when learning online. On the other side, you describe how your product creates gains and pain relievers. For example, your learning apps give student badges and rewards to keep them motivated. The secret is matching the two sides. If the customer has a pain point and your product relieves that pain, you are creating real value. This canvas helps make sure your product is not just a random idea, but something that really connects with user needs. Okay, now let's bring this closer to use informatics student. How can we apply this in our project? Here are a few tips. First, think about human needs first. Second, communicate benefit not features. Third, test your value proposition early. And the last, keep it simple. When we connect technology with human needs, we not only create better apps but also increase our chance of success. Okay, to conclude, let's remember a compelling value proposition is not just about having advanced technology, it's about showing the customer why your solution matters to them. If you can answer who it is for, what is problem does it solve, how is better than others, and what benefit does it bring, then you'll already have a strong value proposition. So whether you're building a mobile app, a website, or an AI solution, always think about the value behind it, because in informatics technology may change fast, but the need for clear value will always stay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about informatics and technology. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.